A rope goes out and operators sliding down onto the deck. Today you can see members of the Maritime Special Operations Forces conducting boarding onto the vessel using the techniques and procedures. Maritime Special Operations Task Units will conduct on a post boarding using fast rope technique onto the vessel. When they finish the border, they will follow with a standard procedure. The procedure includes following steps. 8 men boards onto the stern of the vessel where it splits into 2 teams, Team Alpha and Team Bravo. Team Alpha will secure the command bridge and Team Bravo will secure cargo holds and engine rooms. As soon as the command bridge is secured, the team leader will give order to customs captain to slow down the